And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is FXPassion broadcasting you live on YouTube, and this is Forex Trading Course 101. Remember, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way about the market, about the strategy, and about the trader. Hello Lucas, how are you? And we are doing this with those modules, and I'm echoing, so basic module, beginner module. So Forex trading week, everybody, when this is over we are going to start with the intermediate module. We're going to talk about the Fibonacci's finally, right? And talking about traders, what do champion traders say? Champion traders always say, I'm not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. I need to collect samples, everybody. How much? 100, 200, 300 maybe. And of course this is a quote from Mark Douglas, and my 50 cents when the market scares you. Right? Don't be afraid to do the right thing. What is the right thing to do? Obey your strategy rules. Okay? Don't vacillate. Okay? Don't get scared about the market. And either way, remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. The webinars are not trading or investment advice, especially in this Forex trading week. And for homeworks or questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and you can follow me if you want on TradingView too. That being said, let's dive into the live chart. So yesterday we entered Euro GBP long. Okay, so the market went nowhere, and let's check the chart, weekly chart from yesterday, right? Weekly chart, and see everybody. So from the weekly chart, right, we are, and I have a 20 seconds delay. Okay, so please be patient. Okay, this was our trade from yesterday, and this is our entry, and this is our stop loss, and this is our take profit. Now see what happened with the short trade, everybody, on the 30-minute chart. If this is your first time with us, everybody, okay, and remember, don't be shy. Don't be shy, we are not judging anybody, we are here to learn. So this trade was a loser, right? And white was a loser. You know? Passion, teach me how to make money. We need to stop losing first. Okay? And in all honesty, it could be a winner too, right? It could be a winner. How do you know? Well, we don't have the crystal ball. Okay? And now some of you are scared to talk to me because you're thinking, oh my gosh, what if I'm going to lose? You are going to lose anyway. You are going to have losing trades, make no mistakes. If it would be that easy, you know, you need to repeat this to yourself every day. If this would be that easy, everybody would be a millionaire already. Agreed? So we shorted the market in here, right? I don't remember who was it, but some trader, some student shorted the market, but the probability was low. Make sense? So until we don't learn, okay, until we are ignorant, okay, ignorant is not a bad word, everybody. Ignorant, it's not offensive. We are all ignorant about something, me too. So until we are ignorant about how probability works, those losers are acceptable. But for the beginner trader who understands, well, I had 4 reasons not to go short yet, and I have 1 reason to go short, well, these losers, those kind of losers are not acceptable anymore. Okay? Oh, you are so harsh. Welcome to the trader's world. You know, this is the reality of this job. Make sense? And NZD-CAD, AUD-CAD, I don't remember which one we talked about, Euro-JPY maybe. So Euro-GBP, this is a trade I did, right? Yesterday, and we're talking about some of you are not willing to take the shot, you know, some of you are willing. I don't remember which one was. Oh, Euro-JPY, right? So Euro-JPY weekly chart, Euro-JPY daily chart, right? So this is from yesterday, and I was telling you, don't be happy. You know, I am right, you know. It's not a matter of being right or wrong, it's a matter of what? Probability, right? Makes sense? So everybody type in the chat a currency pair that you want to check. First comes, first is served. Are you maybe in a trade that you are questioning, double guessing, you are not sure? Are you in a trade maybe that you are not clear on the probabilities? What do you say? Talking about yesterday, right? I received an email, Passion, you didn't explain well. I was thinking about this, so just remember, there is no 100, okay? The easiest way is just use a number of 100 and divide them with the numbers of positive reasons / negative reasons. Okay? And then you should not subtract. Just look at the ratio. Okay? There are different models. This is the easy one. But remember, beginner traders, you know, there is no 100%. Okay? So if you have NZD USD weekly and daily, sure. So if you have 3 reasons to enter and 2 reasons not to enter, then it's going to be 100 divided 5 equals 20. So the probability is 20 plus 20 plus 20 equals 60. Okay, everybody? This is the no-brainer, easy calculation how to measure probability. You know, it gets, then we have different models, you know, like yesterday I had a problem because I had 1. And if you divide 90 by 1, so use 100, you know, let's not complicate. We're going to be back with probabilities when we're going to talk about strategies. Okay? Just use 100, but remember there is no 100% rate. So you have 3 reasons to enter, 2 reasons not to enter, 3 plus 2 makes 5, 100 divided 5 is 20, you have 3 reasons to enter, so 20 plus 20 plus 20 equals 60. Okay? Easy, no-brainer. Just remember, most likely it's lower because we don't have 100%. Lucas says NZD USD. Okay, what is the idea? To go long or short? NZD USD. Let's make a poll, everybody. Long or short on NZD USD? Long or short on NZD USD? What is your idea, Lucas? To go long or to go short? Where is the take profit? Where is the stop loss? And remember everybody, there is no right or wrong. It doesn't do any good, everybody, for you to come to the lessons, lose on a trade, and then you are not coming to the lessons because you are ashamed. We are not here to judge anybody, we are here to help you. I did this too. Okay? Oh my gosh, I lost. Well, welcome to the club. Right? It's not a loser if you learned. Okay? Weekly, the structure is down. On the weekly, the short-term trend is down too. Daily, the short-term trend broke the last high. Okay, what do you want to do? Do you want to go long or short? I'm waiting to go short when the trend on the 4 hour make a lower low and lower high. So let's go on the 4 hour chart. 4 hour chart. High to low. High to low, low to high, high to low. Lucas, you have your lower low, lower high. So let's go short. And Tari is saying USD CAD 4 hour waiting for bullish candlestick formation to buy, consolidation pattern, stop loss below the low of the bottom band. So Teacher Lucas, what pattern are you shorting? And Teacher Tari, the consolidation that you are going long, it's on what time frame? Teacher Lucas, what pattern are you shorting, from the daily or from the weekly? And Teacher Tari, what is the time frame of your consolidation? And remember everybody, there is no right or wrong. Right? In the meantime, one more time. This trade was a loser. Yes sir, it could be a winner too, let's be fair. Okay, low probability trade. Euro JPY, going long. Right now, low probability trade. It was good entering here, this was short term. Okay, maybe we are going to win, maybe we are going to lose. Okay, still low probability. Euro GBP, I entered this trade. Okay, maybe we are going to win, maybe we are going to lose, but it's not low probability. Tari says 4 hour time frame, so let's check USD CAD. USD CAD in the meantime. Teacher Lucas, I'm waiting to go short. Okay, what pattern? So USD CAD 4 hour time frame. Okay, Teacher Tari, where do you see the consolidation? USD CAD 4 hour waiting for bullish candlestick to buy. Well, Teacher Tari, you had your bullish candle here and you had your bullish candle here. Teacher Tari. So Teacher Tari and Teacher Lucas, you have your signals, and Tari says stop loss below the low of the bottom band. Okay, but Tari, would you be so kind and type in the chat the number of the band? Which one are you looking at? Would you be so kind and type in the chat? Because I don't know what band are you looking at. In the meantime, Teacher Lucas, what pattern are you shorting? So you have lower lows, lower highs. Agreed, Teacher Lucas? We have lower lows, lower highs. On the 4 hour, Sorry, consolidation from the monthly. Okay. Teacher Tari, would you be so kind and type in the chat where is your stop loss? Like a number. So Tari is saying, okay, the pattern I'm trading is the monthly consolidation. Come on, J Forex, come on, come on, come on. So Teacher Tari is trading the monthly consolidation. This would be the upper band, this would be the lower band, right? The pattern I'm operating on: counter trend line break, confirmed trend, and 1 on 2 risk. Lucas, those are not. So everybody, thank you for the comment, Lucas. So counter trend line break, it's not a pattern, everybody. Okay, counter trend line break, it's an entry technique, it's an entry tool, it's an entry signal. Okay. Now a confirmed trend. Well, a trend is it could be a pattern. So Lucas, question for you. So the pattern that you are shorting is this short-term downtrend on the 4-hour chart, or something different? And in the meantime, Tari, if you would be so kind, type in the chat where is your stop loss as a number. So now we have, everybody, 3 different trades. We have Euro GBP, we have Lucas entering NZD USD short, and we have Tari going long on the 4-hour chart, trading the monthly bands. That's nice, right? We are getting somewhere, right? Forex trading week, we are trading, right? We are getting somewhere, you know, this is nice. Question, I have a question on the other streaming platform. You're not going to see this on YouTube, everybody. FXPassion, what would you say is the best characteristic to enter the market? Well, I don't understand the question. I'm not sure if you're talking about technicals or emotions, you know, what is the best characteristic? I don't understand the question. Yes, but I'm waiting a counter trendline break to go short on NZD USD. You had it already. Look at the chart. Lucas, you had it already. It already happened. NZD USD. It already happened, the counter trendline break. If this is your strategy, everybody, if this is your signal, you should have entered. And if you didn't enter, you get the first warning from me. Can I trade for you? Well, let's say that you are trading for me. I'm your manager. If this was your signal, it happened already, you know. If you didn't enter here, the blue candle, closed body, counter trendline break, first warning. The next one, you are out. TikTok, what is the difference between Forex course 101 paid course versus Forex course in YouTube, sir? TikTok, the private lessons are specifically designed for you. Okay? So this is a general course for everybody. We are asking questions, we are, you know, we are talking to everybody. If you enter the private lessons TikTok, you know, it's you and me. Okay? it's like I'm taking you by the hand, you know, and I'm guiding you. Do this, do that. You are going to explain to me what are your plans, what do you want from life, okay? Do you want to be a trader? Yes. Why do you want to be a trader? You know, what is your perception? What do you want to be or become in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years? You know, what do you need? Okay, everybody? Okay, TikTok? So 101 paid. Those are private lessons based on what you want, what you need. Okay? Tari says stop loss 11889. Very good. Teacher Lucas, if you are not in the market, you had your counter trend line. Do we agree on this, everybody? You had your counter trend line. Thank you, TikTok. If you have any more questions, please. And everybody, you know, if you have questions, don't hesitate, just ask. So, Teacher Tari, stop loss, Teacher Tari, stop loss is, let's color code this differently. Teacher Tari, stop edit coordinates, 1.1889. Okay, very good. This is the stop loss. Okay. Remember, Teacher Tari is entering on the 4-hour chart, right? Everybody, so if you are trading the monthly bands, right? And this is the counter trend line, right? This is the counter trend line, okay? Then we had an entry in here, right? And then we have an entry in here. Now remember, Forex trading week, trading candle, trading Japanese candlesticks. So from the 4-hour standpoint, everybody, you know, what is this? Those three, blue, blue, white. Blue, blue, white, is this an entry signal? Blue, blue, white? Everybody, blue, blue, white, is this an entry signal? And talking about counter trend lines, you know, you had a counter trend line break too. So those are the questions, right, that we need to answer to our boss. Well, why didn't we enter here? Why didn't we enter here? And why didn't we enter here? Oh, right? Lucas, same story, right? Oh, I want to see two higher highs, two lower lows, two lower highs. You have it. You have it. Oh, I'm waiting for the counter trend line break. You had it. It already happened. Why didn't you enter here? Oh, I'm going to tell you why didn't you enter here, because this white candle, Lucas, scared you. True or true? This is, everybody, this is the beginner traders challenge. This is the entry, you know. This is the beginners traders challenge. This is the entry, you know. Full body candle closed on the 4-hour chart, and your brain is seeing this. And your brain is saying, oh my gosh, what if the market is going to reverse or retrace? You know, oh my gosh. and you are waiting and waiting and waiting, everybody. And in the meantime, when you are waiting and you are guessing and double guessing, you are seeing this candle moving against you. True or true? This is the beginner's traders challenge. You know, you are seeing this and you are waiting and waiting and waiting, and then you are seeing this. And the more you are waiting, the more the market goes against you. Agreed? And you are waiting, 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 and the market closes in, and you are telling yourself, oh, thanks God I didn't enter. Wrong answer. You have a warning from your boss. If this is the signal, you should have entered. Period, end of story. Oh yes, but period, end of story. Dear trader, you are here, you have your salary, and this was the signal, and you are here to make money. You are not here to double guess, triple guess, whatever. So, first, oh yes, but I'm not judging you. I'm telling you as a boss, first warning. Do one of this and you are out, you are fired. Oh yes, but I don't want to hear excuses. Oh, this is so harsh. Well, welcome to the trader's world. You know, if you think that those guys in an institution are having fun, I mean, you know, maybe they are having fun, but you know, when we talk about performing as a trader, you know, there is a different story. Hello MHB, how are you? Tari is saying, sir, you are correct, I should enter on the 4-hour chart. Wow, great. So Tari is entering on the 4-hour chart. Very good. You know? So Tari is going to enter on the 4-hour chart right now, and the stop loss, right? So buy the market, submit, and monthly bands, and something is happening in the market. My dogs are getting crazy, you know. So this is Tari's entry, this is the stop loss, and 1 against 2. Tari says, I should have entered on the 4-hour trading time frame. Lucas, yes, it's true. Right? What is Bitcoin running again? Right? And tomorrow, everybody, we are going to have a crypto session, okay? Tomorrow we are going to have a session about cryptos. It's a project that we are developing with Dukas Copy together. If our boss Yanis is going to approve it, okay. So Euro JPY, NZD, USD, you know. So Lucas, what are you going to do? Something is happening in the market. The dogs are getting crazy. They're telling short NZD USD, you know. Okay, everybody. Any other questions? Any other currency pairs? So we are on USD CAD. We are on USD CAD, going long. You know, we are on USD CAD going long. This is Tari straight. We are on NZD USD going short. I don't know if Lucas is going to enter the market or not. You know, we are on Euro GBP going long. We are on Euro GBP going long. This is the stop loss, this is the entry, this is the take profit. So we are in what? We are in 1, 2. So we are in a trade Euro GBP. You know, Euro JPY, NZD CAD. AUD CAD, and USD CAD. There you go. Any other currency pair, everybody, that you want to check, that you are maybe guessing, double guessing? Maybe you are in a trade and you are not sure why the market is going against you. Maybe you are uncertain about the probability. But just to be clear, Lucas, where is your stop loss and what pattern are you trading on the NZD USD? Trader Tari on the USD CAD, it's trading the monthly bands, right? Trader Passion, it's trading the monthly bands on Euro GBP, you know. Trader MHB is trading long on Euro JPY, the market wave. Teacher Lucas, what pattern are you shorting? And everybody, this is the skill. What is the skill? Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. You're going to be sick and tired of me telling you. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. You know? How many of you are trading the monthly bands on USD CAD? Right? How many of you are trading the monthly bands on USD CAD and you are entering on the 4-hour chart, or you are entering on the 2-hour chart and you have your stop loss here, or you have your stop loss here? Passion, can I trade for you? First warning, no sir. This is a mistake. How many of you, somebody saying, oh, this is not clear. How many of you are trading the monthly bands or the weekly bands? You are entering from the 15-minute chart, 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart, trading the monthly bands, and you put your stop loss in here or in here, which is a mistake. I'm operating the confirmed trend pattern. Lucas, which one? So, Lucas, be kind and type in the chat, Crown 4-hour chart, short-term trend 4-hour chart, market wave daily chart, whatever might be the case. Okay? Maybe I didn't sleep well today, but I cannot figure out, you know. Maybe I didn't sleep well tonight, but I still cannot figure out, you know, what pattern are you shorting? And on what time frame? You know? Are you shorting the market wave on the weekly? Are you shorting the Fibonacci's on the daily? Are you shorting the crown from the 4-hour chart? What pattern are you shorting? Are you shorting a downtrend? Are you shorting an uptrend? Are you shorting, you know, head and shoulders? Are you shorting the Gartley? What pattern are you shorting? And on what time frame? In the meantime, everybody, do you have any other currency pair that you want to check your trades? And remember, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. Do you have any trades that were losers and you don't know why it was a loser? Everybody? And remember, what is the beginner trader's dilemma? The beginner trader's dilemma is that a beginner trader can win occasionally, because there is random distribution in the markets, random distribution between winners and losers. So making the eventual buck, it's not the problem. But then is going to come the losing time, well, the beginner trader, not knowing about the things, is going to give back to the market 50% of profits, 70% of profits, 80% of profits. Short-term trend on the 4-hour and daily. Okay, very good, thank you very much. So where is your stop loss, where is your take profit? Short-term trend, well, what we can do, we can do so this is the downtrend line, right? This is the downtrend line, and this is low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low. Okay, where is your stop loss? Everybody, is Lucas straight? And remember, we are not judging anybody, okay? We are here to learn. Is Lucas straight? High probability, it's high probability or low probability? And why? High probability, low probability? Lucas is saying short-term trend on the 4-hour and daily, it's the confirmation time frame. Very good. Clone chart, this is the daily. This is the daily. What is the probability, everybody? Stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Full screen, not USD CAD, NZD, where are you? NZD, where are you? Where are you? I'm not seeing you. USD CAD. Where are you? USD, NZD CAD, NZD CAD. I lost NZD USD. Where are you? USD CAD, Euro, AUD, AUD, NZD CAD, NZD CAD. Okay, anyhow, not a problem. So one more time, NZD USD and daily and clone chart. This is the 4-hour chart, right? And trend line, downtrend line, like this. Let's increase the scale. So high to low, low to high, high to low. And stop loss, edit coordinates 0.71780. Okay. Stop loss, very good. Everybody, what do you think? Is Lucas straight? What about the entry, Lucas? Is this a high probability trade, everybody, or is this a low probability trade? Remember, there is no right or wrong. We are here to learn. We are not judging anybody. Okay, this is the daily chart and this is the 4-hour chart. You are looking at the same thing. What do you say? Low probability, and it's not subjective, everybody. Remember, from the, if this is your first time with us, okay, check the Forex Trading Week part 1, part 2, part 3, and you are going to understand what we are teaching you You can measure probability. Yes, it's going to change because we are going to learn more tools. In the end, we're going to learn about strategies and systems. But so far, we can measure the probability with what we know. And everybody, what is the lesson today? Don't, this is the skill. Hopefully, USD CAD, Euro JPY, AUD. I'm going to close. I don't. Oh, there you go. Too many of them, right? Too many of them. What is the skill, everybody? If this is the signal, you should enter. Okay? If this is the signal, you should enter. Your brain is going to see, oh my gosh, there is a past support. What if the market goes down and bounce? And you are going to wait and you are going to double guess, triple guess. And in the meantime, this market is going to go against you. And the more the market goes against you, the more you are going to double guess, triple guess, and look at this point. And this is how our brain works. But in an institution, you would have the warning. You should have entered here. Is this you, everybody? Can you relate to this? Is this you? You have a signal, and instead of you entering the market, somebody asked about the specific trade, do you want to grow? You need to have courage. What do you mean, courage? Trust your strategy. But I'm seeing this is exactly what we're talking about. In an institution, you have the first warning. So as a retail trader, you must trust. If you don't have courage, everybody, and if you are going to double guess and triple guess, well, guess what? You are going to spend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years double guessing. Don't tell me no. I have students and clients coming to me. How many years are you trying? 5 years, 4 years, 7 years. Right? Not uncommon. We are not judging anybody. But this is the difference between a beginner trader and a professional trader. Professional trader, signal, bam, in the market. Beginner trader, which is normal. Is this, am I seeing the correct highs and lows? Oh my god, the market's going against me, so maybe my downtrend line is not correct, and oh my god, what is the other broker telling to go long on it? And this is the beginner trader. Agreed? Yeah, not me, right? Of course not you. Come on, I've been there. I did this too. When it confirmed 100% trend on the 4-hour and broke the counter trend line, the best entry point for me. So we are going to enter right now because you didn't enter. Sell the market. Okay? So sell the market. And one more time, clone chart, daily chart. Okay, everybody, so this is the daily chart. What is the probability of Lucas trade, high or low? So this is the risk. Just graphically clone. Come on. 1 versus 2. Right? Is this trade high probability or low probability? Lucas is smiling. Yes, it's very well. Thank you for being honest. Everybody give me a number. Come on, stay with me. Type in the chat. What do you think? You know, oh, I don't know. Well, what do you think? Look at the daily chart and what do you think? Is this a high probability trade or it's a low probability trade? Look at the daily chart. What are the reasons to go short and what are the reasons to go long? And some of you are late. We said in the beginning, you know, somebody sent an email, oh, you didn't explain well yesterday, and I said, yes, it's true. So we are going to use 100 as a number. But just bear in mind, there are no 100% trades. What is this? What is this trade? Is this 100% rate? Is this an 80% rate? Is this a 50-50% rate? Taking in consideration the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame. So with me, right? So to go short, I have a counter trend line break from the daily, or I have the uptrend break from the daily, right? And talking about the market wave, let me see the market wave from this standpoint. Market wave highs and lows. So the market wave from the daily, extension, retracement, extension. Let me see if it's a downtrend. Low to high, yes. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, retracement, high to low, extension, extension. Let me see. Retracement, which one is this? Is the higher high, right? High to low, so no downtrend here. So extension up to here and retracement, extension. This is on the daily and the USD. Down wave, right? So extension, retracement, extension. Okay. Let's change colors, green. There you go. What is the probability? Downtrend line like this, okay? So probability text plus and probability text minus, right? Okay, what is with me? And there you go. Market wave is with me. Trend line is with me. TL, trend line is with me. You know, what is against me? Maybe too soon. No short-term trend on the daily yet. Not yet. It's against me. Let me see the counter trend line break on the daily. So I cannot break candles. This would be the long term. So okay, I cannot break the candles and the body. Something not the best one, doesn't allow me to make it better, so we're going to leave it like this. Okay, so far this might be an up retracement trade. This is past support in here. background color past support. Okay, so probability, right? Maybe too soon. No short-term downtrend on the daily. Okay, market wave, you know, retracement, you have higher highs, higher lows, but then on the extension you have lower lows, lower highs. Our entry from the daily, we don't have lower lows, lower highs yet, so this might be, you know, we are maybe too soon. We don't have too lower, there is no short-term trend, not yet, right? So market wave is down, trend line, right? Trend line, okay, one more, you know, so counter trend line, okay. Daily short-term trend still making higher highs, higher lows, broken last short-term, yes sir, exactly. So moving forward, right, let's upgrade your knowledge, everybody. Okay, let's upgrade your knowledge today. Now you are going to have two boxes to fill. Okay, so what is the probability short term and what is the probability long term? Long term. Passion, what do you mean? What is the probability short term and what is the probability long term? Well, great question. What is the probability short term? This means that what is going to do your entry, your trade, you know. What is short term? Well, short term is retracements, you know. Short term are the short term trend lines. Short term is the short term trend on the 4-hour chart. What is long term? Long term is the market wave, you know. Long term is the market wave. So if we would enter long term, meaning we're expecting this to be the end of retracement and we're expecting the next extension leg on NZD/USD, you know, and this is what you see, you know. You have the market wave in your direction, you have the counter trend line, but the counter trend line is short term, but yeah, we are below the trend line, and you know, we are maybe too soon because we don't have the short term trend on the daily yet. Okay, and market approaching support, and we still didn't break the long term trend line. Okay, we need to run, everybody. Tell me, let's make a poll. Type in the chat, please. Short term probability, what do you think? And long term probability, what do you think? Let's learn something today, everybody. You can type in the chat short term probability high, long term probability high. You can type in the chat short term probability low, long term probability low. You can type in the chat short term probability low, long term probability high. You can type in the chat short term probability high, long term probability low. And lastly, you can type in the chat, I have no clue what you are talking about. Fair answer. If this is your first time with us. What do you think, everybody? We need to finish slowly. And before you go, we're going to explain one more time to TikTok and all of you, everybody, okay, the different levels, okay, why, you know, why or how do you know that you need something or another? Tari says, daily short-term trend still making higher lows. I didn't ask for this, thank you very much for the comment, I appreciate, but I want a straight answer, everybody. Short-term probability high or low, and long-term probability high or low. Especially you, Lucas, what do you think? I'm not sure about it. What do you think? Tari, wow, short-term probability high, long-term probability low. Thank you very much. Does anybody have other predictions? Lucas, do you agree with Tari? We are running out of time, everybody. I'm going to explain to TikTok, okay? In the meantime, please type in the chat. What do you think about, okay? So TikTok, you know, if you want quicker results, you know, learning this stuff takes time. And if you do not want to waste 2 or 3 years to figure out the market, ask for private lessons of the Forex Course 101, TikTok. Okay? Most of my clients are traders who are in the market for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 7+ years, and are not making it. Okay? Time is an issue, you know. And one more time, everybody, you don't want to hear this, but can I make profits from the Forex Course 101? The answer is yes. You know, I'm going to watch the lessons on YouTube. Can I make profits? Yes, you can. But the next question is the next level, number 2. Passion, can I make consistent profits from the Forex Course 101? You can ask Tari, everybody. He's an advanced student. He's in the Forex Course 202. So can I make consistent profits from the Forex Course 101? Sorry, the Forex Course 101, it's not enough. The Forex Course 101 is the analyst part. Do you know the serious billions? You know, the rich investment banks and brokerage, they have the analyst and they have the trader. Okay? So retail traders, we want to be analysts and traders in one person. But institutions, the rich one, you know, they have analysts and they have traders, and the analysts work with the trader. Trader, it's a different breed, everybody. Okay, TikTok? And again, if you don't like being in the course, well, if you prefer coaching or mentorship, you know, and, you know, the last one, once you are consistently profitable, if you need money, okay, ask me, you know, we are working with hedge funds and asset managers that are going to give you the funds. But you need to show the results first. Okay, no tricks, no hidden costs, no testing phases. Of course, there are some rules. You are going to have a contract. Okay. Now, going back to the lesson. Oh, nobody says nothing about the probability. MHB, don't know. Lucas says, I agree with you, Tari. Great lesson, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, Lucas. So, what is the answer? The answer is what Tari said, everybody. This trade, NZD-USD, it has high probability short term, but it doesn't have a high probability long term. Why not? Well, it's common sense. Common sense. You have 2 reasons to go short long term, and you have 1, 2, 3 reasons not to go short long term. One more time and then we are done for today. You have 2 reasons to go short long term, and you have 3 reasons not to go short long term. So common sense says, well, you know, long term maybe not the best entry. But yeah, we can still win, right? But short term it has, right? Short term it's a great probability, you know. So Lucas, what is the lesson? You need to change your stop loss and take profit on the 4-hour chart. Okay everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow with cryptos. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade with passion. This is FXPassion signing off.